Lynn is going to use the flavours of a full English breakfast to make her English breakfast work. Really, really good.
Yes, right.
I've never had ribs for breakfast.
40 minutes left, then we want breakfast.
Greg's flavours are subtle, but subtle and full English are not usually used in the same sentence. What Greg's going to do, I don't know, but it's definitely going to be modern.
The dish today is really going to push me. It's going to get me right to the edge. Like a lemming looking over the edge, yeah. If I nail it, brilliant, but it's going to really test me today.
Greg, what is your take on an English breakfast?
It just looks like a boiled egg. You put your spoon into the bottom and you're getting a mouthful of all sorts. You're going to have fresh, you're going to have honey, you're going to have the salty bacon, you're going to have the sausage, you have the cream and the egg and the salt and the chives. A little surprise.
Is this all inside an eggshell?
Yes.
I don't know what to think of it. But then I haven't known what to think of you for most of the competition.
Cheers.
Everything Greg is doing is really, really risky. He's serving everything within one concealed unit, the humble egg. The thing he's got to do is make sure he delivers the true flavours of breakfast.
Chris the dentist has showcased classic technique.
Full English? Who knows?
I'm hoping to show the judges quite a bit more technical ability today. It's going to have to be really good, because there can't be that many variations on an English breakfast, so it's got to stand out.
Chris, good to see you, mate. What's your breakfast?
A pyramid of fried bread with black pudding and sausage inside, maple soaked and cooked bacon, a poached duck egg, which has been loosely wrapped in potato and then deep fried, and a cloud egg with black pudding and sausage.
What's a cloud egg?
Separate the egg from the white, whisk up the white and put it in the oven and bake it till it's light brown. Pop the yolk back on top and put it in until it's just cooked, so you get nice and runny.
Chris is definitely out of his comfort zone. I mean, he's got all sorts of stuff going on.
Listen up, quarter-finalists. You have 30 minutes left.
Erin is our adventurous cook. She likes to experiment. Sometimes the experiments work, sometimes they don't.
I need to cook everything as I have done at home, perfectly, make sure it looks brilliant, and hopefully it tastes good and it will get me through.
Do you indulge in the odd fry-up, Erin?
I couldn't think of anything worse. Ooh.
So, given a brief of a dish that you really dislike, what do you do to turn it into one that you do love?
I quite often do a cow and potato rosti, so that's quite a good interpretation of a hash brown. I love poached eggs, so that's the egg element. And sausage patty with some beans.
Beans out of a tin?
No, ooh, I don't like those.
You don't like them?
Oh, no.
Do you like toast?
Yeah, I do like toast.
Are we serving toast?
Nah, too many carbs.
So Erin is making a healthy, full English breakfast. You know what? For somebody who says she's struggling with a breakfast, I think she's got the right idea.
Get it up on a plate. 5 minutes, please. We want breakfast.
Just take your time.
You have just 60 seconds to finish this off.
Okay, just the eggs, I'm done. This is me making effort with presentation, trying.
Your time is up. Stop.